Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix media loss on your Capcut PC version. So if you have problem when you open your project and your media is lost, you cannot edit it again. So usually the file is
Hi guys, welcome
deleted
back to my channel. Today
or
I'm going to show you how you
accidentally
can fix a
deleted
keyboard
from
problem in
the
Windows 10 or
Capcut
Windows
folder.
11.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
So
I want to
if the
fix
file
a keyboard
deleted,
problem. I'm using
you
Windows 10 right
cannot
now.
restore
So if you
again
have a problem with
and
your
you cannot edit it again. So you can try to start new project there. But if you accidentally move your project into another folder, please try to search your project file, for example this keyboard file, and try to move or cut into the Capcut folder again and pass. And now you can restart your Capcut, close all the Capcut app, and then try to reopen, and then your project will be here and you will be able to re-edit your project again here. So it's all about the missing file, maybe it's deleted or relocated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.